this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Roblox account. So if you go to your Roblox app like this, looking here, you can see the option of create account and also the option of sign in. So if you click on the option of sign in like this, you can either sign in with your username, your email, or your phone number. And let's say you can't remember your email or your phone number, you can come right here and input your username. So let's say you input your username like this. So I'm going to quickly input my username and click on next. When you do that, you're going to see your profile and they're going to ask you to input your password. But let's say you can't remember your password. You can either click on forget password at the bottom of the screen like this and input your email. But let's say you can't even remember your email. So this is what you can easily do. You can't remember your email and you can't even use your phone number to recover it. You can only remember your username, so you won't be able to recover it. But this is what you can simply do. You can go to your web browser like this and search for roblox.com d/support, roblox.com/de/support. Go ahead and search for that like this. So when you search for that, let me quickly change this to English. So when you search for that, they are going to ask you to input your date of birth. So you simply need to go ahead and input your date of birth. So let me just randomly input a date of birth here and click on further. So right here, you need to input your username, if you can remember your username. So if you can remember your username, go ahead and input your username right here. Input your first name, input an email. If you can't remember the email you used in your Roblox account, you can just input an email that can allow you to receive a code that is going to be sent to you if they are going to send a code to you. Then come right here and also confirm the email you have actually inputted. So right here, you can see problem details. You need to select your device type. If you are using an Android, you can go ahead and select Android. Now looking, you can see type of help category. You can go ahead and click on that. Right here, this is where you need to tell them that you can't log into your account. So I'm going to click on the first option here, which is account hacked or login not possible. So when you do that, looking here, you can see type of help category. You need to go ahead and click on that. Now let's say forget password. Now let's say you can't remember your password. You can go ahead and click on forgot password like this. Right here, you need to describe to Roblox the issue you are facing. So let's say, hi Roblox team, please so this is it. Hi Roblox team, please, I can't remember my email and phone number. Please help me to recover my account. Daniel, thanks. Then go ahead and click on further at the bottom here. You can see further after inputting all the details, and wait for a couple of days, 1 or 2 days, and Roblox is going to actually help you to recover your Roblox account back, or give you a feedback if it cannot be recovered. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. That is how simple it is to recover your Roblox account. Hope you found this guide helpful. If you are still having any problem related to this video, you can tell me on the comment section and I'm going to be there to give you a reply as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell.